Hi guys, here we are in Karnala Bird Sanctuary. We are enjoying nature here. It's so beautiful. It's run. What happened? Bye.
I got butterfly.
Here we saw so many monkeys. Okay, wait. Where is the butterfly? Oh, see butterfly.
It's a very rare species, I think.
Species. It's not species.
Okay. Wow, nice.
Okay, let's go ahead now. Here we are all alone. We and Junker. Let's go. So many mosquitoes are also there.
Nana,
Let's go down.
largest on magic circle? Where is butterfly?
What's here? Let's get down here. I'll try to get down. Oh my god, my hand. From here the water is coming. Amazing. Let's try again to get down. Oops. From here? Okay.
Wait.
Wow, it's amazing.
Yes, very good. No.